Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 36. A disease outbreak that attack a large number of people at a given time is A. Sporadic, B. Pandemic, C. Idiopathic, D. Epidemic, and E. Endemic. Now, sporadic simply means that what this disease outbreak is what is irregular. When a disease outbreak is irregular, that is, occur at irregular intervals, we say it is what sporadic. Now, pandemic is an epidemic. Pandemic is an epidemic that spreads across countries or continents. Now, when an epidemic occurs and it spreads across various countries and continents, it becomes what a pandemic. Now, option C says idiopathic. Now, idiopathic is any disease that has no known cause. That is, the cause of this disease is unknown. Cause of idiopathic disease are unknown. So we refer to those diseases as what? Idiopathic disease. Any disease that has no known cause, we say it is what? An idiopathic disease. Now, epidemic or disease. An epidemic disease, these are widespread occurrence of infectious disease in a community over a particular time. Now, when a disease outbreak attack a large number, when it attack a large number of people or community at a given time, at a given or particular time, we say it is what? An epidemic. But here says endemic. Endemic now is a disease that just affects, or disease that is known or peculiar to a community or country. A community or country, like maybe Africa. So when a disease is particular to a particular community, we call it an endemic. So from this description, and you agree with me that the answer to this question is epidemic. Epidemic is a widespread of infectious disease that attack communities or large number of people at a given time. Now, we would have said the answer is pandemic, but pandemic is an epidemic. So when this epidemic now spread across countries and continents, then we say it is what? A pandemic. Or epidemic is a disease outbreak that attack large number of people at a given time. So the correct answer to this question is option D, an epidemic. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.